Okay, today we're gonna learn how to change your Windows Start button. Wow. Okay, first you're gonna want to get a program called Resource Hacker, and once you get it, just Google it, download it. Then you're gonna want to open your C drive, Windows, and open your Explorer. Okay, then you're gonna want to open string table number 37, 1033, and well, this is your current start button text. So just change it to whatever you want. For example, I'm just gonna put ownage. Okay. Then after you put whatever you want it to be, compile the script, file, save as. Put in your Windows, you're gonna want to put at the beginning of it Explorer. Then you're gonna want to put the name of your start button text. It doesn't have to be capitalized, just all lowercase, it doesn't matter. And okay, save, exit, then press start, run, regedit, regedit. Okay. Then go down to H key local machine, software, down to Microsoft, then down to Windows NT, current version, when log on, click it, go down to shell, and you're going to want to change that to Explorer and whatever you put for your text, and OK, and then exit. That's really it. Okay, you're set. Now all you have to do is just reboot your computer, but you can't really do that now or it'd mess up the video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.